Good afternoon. We're here today to continue our series on how to clean hearing aids. Today we're going to focus on rechargeable hearing aids and making sure that the contacts of both your charger as well as the contacts on the hearing aid are staying free from debris. We are finding that sometimes if there is a buildup on the contacts, it will unfortunately interfere with the chargeability of your hearing aids. So the easiest and most simple way to clean the contacts inside a charger is to take a Q-tip and gently go in and kind of wipe off the contacts in the bottom of the charging opening. If you have compressed air used for cleaning keyboards and things of that nature, you could also use the air to kind of blow out any loose dirt or debris. So that's how to clean a charger. On hearing aids that have contacts that make direct contact with the charger itself, so those are the little prongs here on the bottom of this hearing aid as an example, that kind of goes back to wiping them off. You could potentially take a Q-tip and do the same like this, or you could take a dry tissue without any lotions and wipe that area too. And once they make good contact, then the charging process should be successful. If you have any questions, concerns, or difficulties with this, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks so much and have a fantastic day.